Namaste and welcome to this channel. Today I want to talk to you about something which is a very crucial question on the minds of most people. Yes, I am talking about financial freedom. We all know that in the current scenario, many people have had to lose their jobs. Many people are working with a 20%, 30%, 50% cut on their salaries. And there are so many labor class workers who have had to go back to their hometowns and are sitting jobless in their homes. So friends, if you are looking for financial freedom, I suggest that you please check out this video. When you visit a restaurant and you are about to order food, do you look at the right side of the menu card or the left side? Well, the right side, as we all know, has the pricing per dish that is served, and the left side gives you the description of what kind of food is served. If your attention goes to the right side of the menu card, you should watch this video till the very end. Now you must be wondering what connection this video has with a menu card of a restaurant. Well, I am sure you will understand as I take you through this video. Why are 80% to 90% of people from the middle class society? Have we ever given this a thought? Well, middle class families have seen their parents struggling to make ends meet during their childhood. Parents have always been concerned about their financial situation. The school fees, the provisions, the doctor's bills, the phone bills, etc. Have you ever heard your parents say, "Money doesn't grow on trees. Better be careful about how you handle it"? Have your parents ever expressed their worry over paying off loans or paying off debts, paying off huge bills? They could be hospital bills, they could be education bills, they could be so many different expenses for which they have to pay. Have you heard them tell you that money is a bad thing? Well, a very wrong thing that has been embedded into the subconscious mind of children. Our subconscious mind is programmed to lead a poor life in childhood itself. So, if that is what we get in childhood, we tend to grow up with the same thoughts. Our subconscious mind constitutes 95% and the conscious mind is just a meager 5%. Consciously, we all want money, but subconsciously, we have very poor thoughts. So, as we grow up, we know that we want money to live a better life. But that is only a thought. What are we doing about it? Are we acting upon it? Well, let us see. So let me give you an example of a person who is excellent at cooking, very innovative and creative. And her family is constantly telling her to write a book on all the dishes that she is an expert at. Now this person wants to write a book. So that thought is a very rich or a very positive thought. But putting that into action or making that a habit does not happen. So what is this person left with? Just dreams. Dreaming, 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 but never ever manifesting the dream. So are you looking at proven ways to become rich and become rich very fast? Well, let me tell you, unfortunately, there is no such thing as fast earning, fast income or fast money. We all need to work to get that. So what is the way out? Is there any way in which we can reach our target? Well, there is. And that is what we call the law of attraction. So let us understand what this law actually is all about. So if you are a person who is always fearful in life, what do you get back? You get back fear, you get back situations which make you become fearful. If you are letting out anger, frustration, sorrow, pain, complaint, cribbing, you are giving that out into the universe. So what is the universe going to bless you with? Exactly the same things. This is what we call the law of attraction. So if we can focus on a particular thought 67 seconds every day, what do you think happens to that thought? Well, it becomes a habit. So this is how people change their old habits into new ones and good ones. Well, most of us want to create wealth, but we are working only with our left brain, which is a very logical, analytical and objective brain. Whereas the right brain is very creative, it is emotional, it is intuitive. Coming back to our subconscious mind is a habit mind. Whatever you feed it, it will end up making that a habit for you. So if you feed your subconscious mind with, I'm not going to brush my teeth, I'm not going to brush my teeth, I'm not going to brush my teeth, and you don't brush your teeth, well, your subconscious mind will make that become a habit and you will never ever pick up a toothbrush and a toothpaste to brush your teeth. Sounds silly? Well, but it's true for many people. So friends, if you look at this slide, it talks about thoughts which become your actions, and your actions eventually become your habits. So it is best to habituate your thoughts or make your thoughts become habits, but the right thoughts and the good thoughts and the ones that are going to help you to progress in life. One kind of mind power that is really very effective is taking your mind into the alpha state. When your mind reaches the alpha state, your subconscious mind starts listening and starts paying attention to what you are trying to manifest in that state of your mind. Well, here I would like to add one thing. We are developing guided meditations on our website, and very shortly our website will be open for all of you to visit. There is a special section which has been created and it is called Heal Yourself. This section is full of guided meditations for different life-related skills or problems or challenges or whatever you wish to call it. So start visualizing what you want when you are in the alpha state. And alpha state, as you can see, yes, it is reached through meditation. Now, when you are in the alpha state and you manifest what you desire, how does this cycle of manifestation work? Well, like I said earlier, your thoughts lead to feelings. Your feelings lead to emotions or actions. These emotions or actions lead to certain results. Now these results get converted to your beliefs, and your beliefs lead to more thoughts as you keep thinking and thinking. So this is how you would be manifesting whatever you desire. You just need to keep in mind that your thoughts are going to lead to actions, and your actions are going to finally get converted to your beliefs. So what is it that you want to manifest? What is it that you want to believe in is very important when you are in your alpha state meditation. Do you work for money, or does money work for you? Well, good question, isn't it? And as you can see, we are talking about active income and passive income. So what is active income? All of us are engaged in some kind of work or some kind of mode of earning for ourselves and for our families. That income that we take home is our active income. But well, let me tell you, the 9-to-5 job is officially dead, and you are actually working for time. But now it is time for you to understand that you need to make time work for you. And how do we do that? Well, passive income is the answer. Financial freedom is possible only when you create passive income. A passive income can also become your future saving, which is going to help you to maintain the lifestyle that you wish to lead. Let's talk about passive income. What exactly do we understand by the word passive income? Well, I'll take an example of an author. An author writes a book, publishes the book, and the book sells and sells and sells, and it just goes on and on and on selling for the author. What has the author done? Invested time once in writing the book. But isn't the author earning continuously after that? Well, that is what we call passive income. So earning by investing your time once and then enjoying the income that time investment brings for you. Now, how can you do this, and why am I talking to you about passive income? Well, let me tell you, I have created courses and they are on my website. I will share the website details with you shortly at the end of this video. So, all of you, I'm sure each one of you has a hobby, or you have some talent, or you are very skilled at a particular job. Well, you can tap on this resource that you have, and create an online course. This online course has to be your investment, a one-time investment which will go up on the website, and well, there will be people who would buy your course, and every time somebody buys a course, you earn whatever your course price is set at. Let's take an example. Suppose you have put up a course worth 1,000 rupees. You've priced your course at 1,000 rupees. And let us say there are 10,000 people who bought your course over a span of time. Can you imagine what you have earned? How much? 1 crore. Is this good enough for you? Creating a course, investing a certain time in creating it, and then letting it be to fetch you your income. Well, we want to help you create a passive income for yourself. The idea of this website is to build a very, very strong community of teachers. Well, what about parents? Well, parents are the first teachers of every child, isn't it? So, even as a parent, you are welcome to create an online course in whatever you feel you are good at. This is one way of sharing all your experiences, your talents with people and helping them to develop those talents or those skills. Well, if you are serious about getting into this passive income mode and having your courses put up online, we have a platform to offer. You can consult me, discuss whatever you are good at, what you want to put up on the website, and for that you have my number right here on your screen. It is 9632 96 8687. I'll repeat it for you. 9632 96 8687. I would be available to take your calls between 10 in the morning to 5 in the evening. Please feel free to connect with me whenever you decide that you are ready to put up an online course. I will surely help you by teaching you how to create a course and create your passive income on my website. What is it that you will require is the next question that may pop up in your mind. How am I going to create a course? I don't have any equipment to make an online course. Well, it's very, very easy. You just need a PowerPoint presentation tool. You need a good mic and you need a small ring light to create your courses. And like I said, I am very much there to guide you and help you in building an online course for yourself. So friends, you can visit the website www.romamam.com. The Heal Yourself section is in process of being put up. Otherwise, please do take a look at the website and on a serious note, start thinking about what topic you would want to convert into an online course for yourself. And we promise you that we will put it up on our platform and we will help you in activating a passive income for yourself. You have my number here once again in case you missed out on noting it down. It is 9632 96 8687. So, well, friends, with this, I will take leave and I will see you in my next video shortly. Till then, looking forward to hearing from you and discussing the prospects of your financial freedom. Thank you. Teaching online is not at all a puzzle if you are a part of